What's going on, peeps? Hey, we're back here at Eat It. I'm David L. Jarvis. We got Bob Willie here on the Fender Sonoran. Never heard of that, but that's cool, man. Nice guitar. And we got WRUV FM Burlington playing in the background, non-commercial radio from the University of Vermont. Okay, here we're going to plate this little Irby burger that we made. Here in the U.S. Army Barracks, we have some Colby Jack and we have some Swiss. Who wants the Colby Jack? Who wants the Swiss? Tim, Bob, what are you doing?
I'll take Colby Jack.
Colby Jack for Bob. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Shoveling it up. There we go. And Bob is going to take the first bite and tell me if my days at the Daily Planet and the Church Street Tavern and all the other crazy-ass restaurants, Bourbon Street Grill, I don't even know if you guys remember some of these places. Anyway, Bob, take a bite. Let's see how it came out. You need more lettuce, Bob.
Woo! Damn. That is absolutely delicious. Way better than DFAC.
DFAC Dining Facility, U.S. Army. Hey, peeps, thanks a lot for tuning in to Eat It. We see you next time here, okay? Tim!